Take the bow and strike.
Divam.
Boom.
We were just wondering what happens if black just takes this pawn. Suddenly castles, king j8 and bishop f5, the move we saw.
What a move.
Is he dead winning?
Completely winning. He has knocked his opponent dead right now. Bishop f7 and look at the last move. No way.
First of all, if bishop f5, there is queen d5 check and it is just checkmate. Yeah, you can't defend. Knight f7, queen f7 checkmate.
Checkmate.
So
We should also show what happens if black goes queen takes d6. There is a very nice checkmate there. Queen takes d6, rook d6 and bishop e6. And then there
Ooh,
is
nice.
rook
Rook
c8 mate.
c8. Wow, that's the backrank mate happening. Harshad bhai, there is one question for you though. If
Yes.
you had to connect with your friend or you're just not able to get in touch with him or her, क्या करोगे आप?
disco
I
jao-
don't know in what context.
Harshad has no answer. No, I think the rook on d8 and h8,
Yes.
those friends, they just cannot get in touch with each other.
तो मैं वो राजे को ही भी निकाल डालता था बीच में से because now after bishop f7, look at this move. Boom.
Can we ask the audience to
Yes.
guess?
It's
Let's
crazy
ask.
move.
Let's ask.
Chat,
I
any
mean,
guesses for this
unbelievable.
move? This move is insane.
Knight f7, queen is
Actually,
hanging. It's
It's
interesting.
an interesting idea.
Rook c8. Did somebody say rook c8?
Rook c8,
Rook c8
now
is the
immediately
move.
is very strong.
Rook c8
Rook
is the
c8
move.
is the
actually.
move actually.
Queen sacrifice. Take my queen and rook takes d8. It's GG.
Wow.
Bishop
What a
e6 check पहले भी दे सकते हैं, just because.
Wow. And now black is just stuck, yeah? Queen b6 check, but just king h1.
King
And
h1.
So like I think there is only one bad piece that black has in this position, which is the rook on h8. If he could just magically, just castle and put his rook on f8, I think it would be black who is completely better here. Just
Absolutely.
एक piece की वजह से the position is dead lost.
बाकी सब पीसेस उसको बोल रहे हैं कि बिन तेरे क्या है जीना.
you have to
Problem
limit
हो
that
रहा
to 4 seconds, copyright na lage. But yeah, I think also I think 99.3 accuracy by
What?
Arjun so far after 25.
99.3?
0.3 after 25 moves. So it's just like perfect play, yeah? Near perfect play.
You know what I'm really loving here in this game is like in this era where it is very difficult to come up with some amazing novelties, he is able to do that.
Wow. That means we might have, the first result very, very soon in round 3 of the World Cup, and it's an amazing result for Arjun because he, I think, needs one of those spots, yeah, the candidate spots. Very, like,
For
he needs it.
sure, and I think he is one step closer to it after today.
Very
Oh.
quickly. Gukesh staring the game of Arjun there, just left. He knows Arjun is completely winning because bishop c8 on the board.
Yeah, played by
Khela,
Arjun.
Khela bishop c8. Okay, वहाँ पे Nazarbek is in trouble which nobody expected but his opponent has really fought well. ये कितने moves में खत्म होएगा? हर्षद भाई, any
2 moves
prediction?
more.
Really?
Less than 2 moves.
No.
Less than 2 moves.
At least 5 moves, yeah?
Less than 2
अच्छा
moves.
कितने minute?
देखो अभी एक मूव होने वाला है and after Arjun makes his second move, Shamsuddin will resign. I think Shamsuddin might resign now itself.
फिडे कैमरा चैनल ये अर्जुन
yes,
यही तो
possible.
है.
But let's say if black plays g6, कि भाई मैं सिर्फ king g7 रुक निकालूंगा. How do you finish
Knight
off?
f7.
Knight f7, yeah?
Knight takes
Knight
and
takes.
pin you. How do you even defend? The queen d5.
True.
Queen c7, rook takes f7.
Wow. Boom.
Just bone crushing. Bishop e6 and this is just over.
Beautiful.
ऐसा हारने के बाद थोड़ा तो मतलब फॉर नेक्स्ट राउंड यू काइंड ऑफ ऐसे हिल गए हो ना मतलब
हाँ, exactly,
to make a
because-
comeback it's not easy against Arjun.
And I think you mentioned Amruta because right from the opening, Arjun had the game under control and he just did not, get out of Arjun's home prep.
I think here
Karthik
it
is
will
a-
end right
Yeah.
now, so
Yeah.
we'll stick here after. Yes, and I think people are saying that it's almost over.
5 played by Arjun's opponent. maybe we can just
Yeah, let's go to
end that
Arjun.
game as Arjun takes the bishop on f7. एक move
Let's
हुआ.
go!
और मेरा
You said
prediction
two
है कि
moves, yeah?
moves.
2 moves.
He takes, and I think next move resignation.
क्या खेलोगे लेकिन?
Queen d5.
Queen d5. Boom.
He's ready to play, huh?
Queen to d5.
Played.
Played.
Queen g6 looks interesting, and then bishop e6.
By rook f7.
Rook f7 also works, yes.
And MVL is like, yeah, this is just over.
I can play king h7
King
though.
H7, exactly.
Like you take on f7, I take on c8. That's my plan. But I think you have bishop f5, or what do you have?
Hey, but
Bishop
queen
f5,
h5 check नहीं है क्या?
Queen
हाँ,
h5.
then knight
Knight
h6.
h6.
Okay.
The thing is, many moves win.
Yeah.
I think this game will end in the next 2 moves now.
No, he will go king h7 here.
It's 2 moves.
He will resign.
Chat Pushi अभी भी acting कर रहा है क्या?
वही
Position
debate.
lost नहीं है, acting कर रहा है.
नहीं, but you know, it would be completely epic for him if he's able to strike back with the white pieces tomorrow. वो उसको एक अलग ही लेवल का कॉन्फिडेंस देगा. But the way Arjun has been playing, I think it has no chance to go to tie breaks. Look at his time, 30 minutes, 30 seconds.
Played King
King
h7.
h7 played. अरे 2 moves
अरे
नहीं हुआ
यार.
यार. Maybe 3 moves. Bishop f5 check and resign.
Yeah.
Because then you are just losing a knight by force.
By the way, we can pick this up, no? Because rook c8, just
अच्छा,
queen
queen
f5.
f5 भी
Queen
तो
f7 is a
कुछ
free
भी
piece
जीत रहा है.
also. Against these players, and he just takes the knight on
Wow.
f7 with the queen. Simple chess. Current world number 5, India number 1.
Oh!
Congratulations! Gandhivam strikes.
गांधीवम हो जाए अर्शद भाई.
Gandhivam. Crazy.
क्या बात है?
Arjun
What
Erigasi.
an epic victory by Arjun Erigasi यार.
अर्जुन फोटो विथ प्लीज अर्जुन फोटो नहीं अभी तो आएगा नहीं इससे नहीं होगा जाओ थैंक यू अर्जुन Thank you, Arjun. All the best for the next game. Arjun. Arjun, sir. तुझे बरोबर. एक फोटो काढ. अर्जुन सर. अर्जुन सर. Thank you. Sir, one. Thank you. Thank you so much. क्या हो गया साइड में हो जाओ. चलो सर. राइट साइड इतने का आज अरे
Excuse me.